No, 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 not in that seat. This seat. So, today, we are finally doing the LED taillights. Let me just start this. So, we're finally doing LED taillights. It's very loud. A lot of people have been telling me to do this for like ever, and I didn't really want it because it's like one of those like last things I want to really worry about. But I got bored and I didn't really have anything else to do to this car, so I got LED taillights. I'm gonna save the halo angel light things for tomorrow's video because tomorrow's supposed to be thunderstormy and rainy all day. So that's more of an inside thing, kind of just take off the headlights, go inside, take them apart, put in the angel lights, paint, everything, you know, that's more of an inside thing. This is more of an outside thing, and today's a beautiful day, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna rivet on Dan's over fenders finally. I have absolutely no idea what the hell just happened, but I was at a light waiting to make a left, and I slipped the clutch and the car just cut out and died. And you know, I clutched in and it was like trying to crank it, starting it, and no. And luckily the road I was on was like the slightest of a downhill, and I rolled like maybe 2 miles an hour with my hazards on until I got to like a parking lot and dipped in, and then tried again and the car started. So now I'm just making it to Dan's house, but I have no idea what the hell just happened. This is Dan's LS1 swapped S13. Which is probably an engine I'm gonna go with, although it's not gonna be an LS1. It's gonna be an LS3. A little bit cooler. And it's fully caged and cool. And ignore the yellow, it will be fully yellow soon. It's just he painted it yellow so that when we put the over fenders on, these little bits are still yellow, because he's probably gonna take it to a Mako or Mako, whatever it's called, to get it painted yellow pretty soon. Pretty soon? A week? I don't know, pretty soon. Sooner than my car will be painted again, so definitely that. And yeah, it's straight pipe. From the front you don't really hear too much, but from the back. Do his over fenders first really quickly, and then we'll do the taillights really quickly.
See how quick it goes, but
yeah, we've been trying to like make the gas cap fit. This side's harder because of the gas cap, the other side's easy, but we basically got a good line right here, so we're just gonna rivet it now in like 5 spots.
couple of. I would keep your fingers away from there because I'm trying to pull outside and scratch it. Oh wow, is that it? Yeah, that's it. That's the. This one. Now I've been breaking some. Wow. See, that's why I do. Third. And then it's 100% fourth. Yay! Look at me, I'm a hot boy now.
There you go on LEDs. You can use the OEM ones, but the thing is you have to like convert the harness, and it's insanely complicated. But this one has the ballasts for the LEDs, and it plugs into the OEM connection and like converts it to the LED power and everything just fine. And there's like amazing reviews of them. That's a smaller piece. It's all nice and pretty. So I'm gonna do the small one up there first, both of them. That's the difference between them. It's a pretty big difference. This is all new and nice and shiny, and this is faded. Partially because I got a little bit of overspray on them, but then again, this is faded. I've had this plastic cover already fall off, and I like glued it on. can see that before. Oh, my shadow. That.
I was ready to go for the crack.
I like it. It's really new, obviously.
Oh yeah.
It looks refreshing.
Yeah, I like the silver is brighter. That's what I like about it.
Yeah. Somebody's like, do all clear, do all tinted. I was like, nah. I was like, so. Sometimes OEM plus is like nice, and that's.
Sometimes I dig it a lot.
So there it is. I think it looks really good. I don't know what you guys think, but it's like a really nice refresh. The car looks like OEM in stock. Looks like you literally just bought brand new taillights, which is exactly what I did. That's pretty awesome. Oh. I'm gonna go test just to make sure that they work with them being on, and then the hazards and everything. That looks nice. I know they're like flickering on film most likely because they are LEDs. I don't know the actual reason, but I know that's what happens with LEDs. Nani?
So, what's going on?
Alright,
What's going on, M3 babe?
trying to sell my damn engine.
Yeah, so engine's for sale now.
Yeah.
7,000 our best offer for entire thing. GG, well played. Oh my no, vai
The
scendero.
guy called me, he's like, if I have a buyer, he's like, the full swaps usually go for 3 to 4. I was like, what?
3 to
I
4.
was like, separately you can get just more money, honestly. He's like, it would be going in an E30. I was like, oh.
Uh-huh. But anyway, so what's the plan for after this, since you're now done with your headlights? Headlighties.
With my taillights. Tomorrow I'll do the
Actually, crap, you're right,
headlighties.
yeah.
Tomorrow I'll do the headlighties, and then I don't know.
So tomorrow we got, I'm
Maybe if
slipping.
somebody buys this thing within the next week or two, you'll see us pull out the damn engine and pull it all apart, which I really don't look forward to. But
Yes, so.
it seems
if-
simple enough,
yeah.
as long as we get the front end off.
Alright, so guys, if you buy this engine within the next week or two, we're going to be doing an engine swap to this thing. P60. Confirmed.
$50,000 motor, Jesus Christ.
Okay, but, okay, so. Oh. Gotcha, looks good. Oh. Hello.
Is it your car?
Yes.
Yes, it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Tomorrow, Halo's Sick. I hope you guys are excited about the engine swap. It's probably like 95% chance going to be an LS, but like, it's okay. Like, maybe really long down the road when I have the money, I will get a BMW V8, but relax, dude, Jesus Christ. But like right now, it's like really not, it's really not worth it right now to get, because they're just really expensive, and if I get an LS3 with a trans, it's so much more reliable and it makes more power, and I can make more power with it, and in my opinion, I'd rather have like a 900 horsepower LS than like a 450 horsepower BMW V8, because one, I can make a lot of power with the LS pretty cheaply, you know, quotation marks, but with a BMW V8, I really can't make that much more power, so I'd rather see this car be insane and kind of be insanely fast. It'd be cool if I can double the horsepower of the original M3 GTR race car, you know, make 850, 900 horsepower. Totally a possibility with an LS. So, thanks for watching. You know, hopefully you'll support my build and everything still, even with my choice, but a lot of content ahead to do with the body kit and the swap at the same time. So, it's gonna get pretty crazy in the next 2 months. Maybe I won't meet the deadlines I want to meet, but I'll definitely put in a crazy amount of work. Jesus Christ, you're staring right at the camera. It's so creepy. Oh, it's so creepy. Stop it. Don't look away. Pretty sure there's like a squirrel in the background, but yeah, I don't know if I'll make the show deadlines I want to make, but it's okay if I turn out of this with an exact replica, with the exact kit, exact width, maybe exact wheels. We'll talk about that in tomorrow's video, and an insane horsepower car that can rip on anything at any show, any track. That's kind of my goal, because you guys got to remember, I'm not exactly so much building a replica. Look-wise, I want it to be a replica, but with the engine, I don't really mind, because I want a car I can take to the track and it be reliable horsepower-wise, it be cheap to fix, and obviously LS's, you can go to any AutoZone, find parts for it. It's really not that expensive. Even Performance Parts, Holly, and all those companies, they're all in America. They're pretty cheap. Possibly even get a sponsorship with someone to, you know, for parts for the LS and stuff like that, which would be cool. So hopefully you guys understand, you know, don't be too upset. I'll make it up by doubling the horsepower. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.